Oh, sabi niya dito, so just because you know the government will do nothing, you are not supposed to feel frustration and anger. I'm not saying that. Okay? You get to feel those emotions, 'di ba? But you need to act towards your goal. Okay, sige fine, ma-frustrate ka. Okay, sige fine, magalit ka. But you need to act towards your goal. And kung puro politika yung paiiralin mo, your choices on what you can do para umunlad, para makatakas sa paghihirap, is going to be limited only to political activities. And if you are going to rely solely on political, then you are going to be a slave doon sa mga politiko na nangangako na gagawa sila ng maganda. Ngayon, paano nga kung hindi sila gumawa ng maganda? Ano, hintay ka na naman ng 3 years? 3 years ng 3 years? Oh. Kung nag-i-improve ka na sarili mo, kahit 1% pa yan daily, ganun kaikli, it's going to compound. And by the time that you noticed, you are going to acquire skills that will be paid much higher than what you are currently being paid right now. I do get the point not to spend too much time on ranting to the point na wala na ginagawa kundi yung pareho. This is the missing point. Okay, we agree on that. Diba? It's supposed to be a feast for many, pero yung sa taong walang ginawa para ayusin ang presyo ng bilihin na nagsasabi na kasya na yung 500 is hypocrisy. Those are the words from officials that aren't out of touch sa reality. Bakit magiging out of touch sa reality yung nagsabi na, for a minimum cost of 500 peso, pwede na kayong makaluto ng Noche Buena? Why is that out of reality? Diba? Kung saan nakabase naman yung kakayanan mong gumastos ng Noche Buena sa kung ano yung monetary value na napoproduce mo sa trabaho or sa market. Diba? So how is that a hypocrisy when they are just only pointing out the obvious? Na kung wala kang pera, ba't ka uubos ng pera sa isang handaan na wala kang kakayanan? Diba? Many are frustrated and angry, pero ang payo mo is self-improvement. Dapat, lol, who don't want that in the first place? Iba kasi yung ginugusto mo, and then wala lang, gusto mo lang, tapos wala ka namang ginagawa tungkol doon sa pag-improve. Ngayon, ibang kaso din yung gustuhin mo at gumawa ka ng bagay tungkol doon sa gusto mo. At iba rin yung gumusto ko ng isang bagay at uutusan mo yung ibang tao na sila yung gumawa nun para sa'yo. Diba? So magkakaiba yung tatlong yon. Ngayon, yung sinasuggest ko na mag-improve kayo is not easy, of course. Why do you keep on thinking that it's easy? Wala namang madali sa buhay. Hindi ka pwedeng makakuha ng kahit ano sa mundong ito nang wala kang pinapalit. Equivalent exchange nga eh. Anong gusto mo? Mayaman ka pero pa-easy-easy ka lang? Walang ganun. Pwede pa-easy-easy, tas mahirap. Diba? Kasi, like, pag, kunwari, manahin mo man yung yaman na yan, sige, sabihin na natin minana mo from sige, sabi, privilege ka kasi, di ba, minana mo. But the fact that for a wealth to actually stay, kailangan matuto kang mag-manage ng wealth mo. Kung hindi ka marunong mag-manage ng wealth mo, hindi ka marunong magdagdag sa wealth mo, Mauubos yan. In a click. Diba? So, obtaining wealth and retaining wealth is two different skills na dapat matutunan ng tao. And hindi mo siya matututunan kung puro ka reklamo, puro ka rally, 'di ba? Rally na puro mura, walang saysay, puro selfie. Walang mangyayari sa buhay mo. 'Di ba? Kung gusto mo palang mag-improve, what are you doing? Ba't ka nagrereklamo? 'Di ba?